Yo, what's up everybody? I'm back again this week with another video, another idea. I've been thinking about this for a little while now. I have an idea for a drawing. It's sort of like a drawing that I did a while back. It's kind of like totem-y, sort of. Yeah, I want to incorporate like a head, and it has like a special kind of hat thing. It's not a hat, I kind of want it to be like a hand, and then the wrist is like the head is wearing the hand. That's a hat, but it's a hand, not a hat. And then I want something to be below the head also. I haven't really worked that out entirely yet. I haven't really worked the whole idea out, to be honest, but I would like to give it a shot this week, and we'll see kind of where I end up. It might not be that cool. It might be an idea that doesn't actually work. So right off the bat, I started by taking a picture of my hand in the position that I wanted it to be in. I imagined the fingers being crossed. Yeah, I didn't have a lot of time to do this drawing. I was kind of pressed for time. Just been real busy with work stuff. Yeah, and it wasn't really going how I wanted it to go, and I tried to go more broad with it, but again, it just didn't seem like it was working. So I scrapped the idea. Not entirely. I think I still will want to go back and try it. I think the hand in that position is pretty interesting, and I would love to get it right. But this week I just had to decide to move on to something else. I couldn't spend too much time on it, and I just started kind of just sketching very loosely and just, you know, messing with shapes. Sometimes that's what I do when I don't have an idea. In this case, I started to sort of imagine like an alien kind of guy, and so I was like, okay, I'll take that idea and I'll run with it, and I'll mess with it and see where it can take me and see what I can do with it. I figured I would try to make some kind of alien thing with some gill type things coming off the side of his head, and I thought it would be kind of funny to make him have some sort of like chubby cheek type things. I don't really know if they're cheeks or if it's just like it's bone structure, you know. Who knows really. But that's what we came up with, and then colored it. I tried to do a couple different things with coloring. Tried to do a colored outline, but I wasn't really liking it, so I just changed it to black and stuck with it. I wasn't really thinking about this when I was drawing the piece, but afterwards, in looking at it afterwards, I sort of started thinking to myself, like, what is this character's life like? You know, like, with teeth like this, what does that mean about him? And with these cheeks, like, what does that indicate about what he eats and how he eats it? And I don't know if like these design choices, like these teeth, make much sense, like as far as a character goes. I think I wanted to draw like some kind of buck tooth deal, and so I did. You know, I didn't really think too much about his story, which is fine. You don't always have to, but it's funny to go back and look at it and think about it and be like, oh, does it actually work? Like, I don't know if it makes sense. I don't know if these teeth go with this kind of character. I don't know, it's interesting to think about. Just gave him a pretty basic coloring job. Very flat colors, highlights, midtones, and shadows. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward, and then I just put him on a pink background. It's a good contrasting color. And yeah, this one was really quick, and it was kind of nice to just do a fun little piece. But hey, if you like this piece and you want to see more, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. There's a new video every single Wednesday. You can see more of my artwork on my Instagram and on my website. There's also prints on my website. Links to both of those will be in the description. Let me know in the comments what you think of this piece. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And remember, it's not about the finished piece, right? We all love the finished piece, and it's great to have a finished piece, but that's not ultimately what it's about. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone. It's about trying something new. It's about learning something new, and it's about having fun. I don't know if I learned a whole lot new on this piece, but it was fun. That counts for something, I think.